Okay, now what we will see is nothing but that the sources of Constitution of India. What we will see is nothing but okay, the sources of Constitution of India. The sources of uh, Constitution of India, part 2. Okay, part 2. Okay, yeah, this is the sources of Constitution of India, part 2. Okay, in this part 2, what we will see is nothing but the first one is nothing but the fourth country from where that the sources of Constitution of India were taken is nothing but the fourth one. The fourth country is nothing but Japan. Japan. And from Japan, what we have taken is nothing but what we have taken is nothing but procedure established procedure established by law. Procedure established by law. That is, what is the meaning of this thing is nothing but, see, what is the meaning of this thing is nothing but what is the meaning of this thing is nothing but the meaning of this thing is nothing but if any law, law means it is nothing but one rule. If any law that the President of India approved and Lok Sabha approved and Rajya Sabha approved, if any law is these three people approved, if that law is challenged, if that law is challenged in courts, challenged in courts, then court won't interfere. Court won't interfere. Okay, that is the thing. And the next one, if any law that these three people, anyone or these three people not approved, or any one of them is not approved, if it is challenged in courts, then court interferes, then court interferes, okay, and gives justice according to evidences. That is the meaning of this procedure established by law. Okay, then next the fifth country we are talking about, that thing is nothing but the fifth country from where that sources of Constitution, it is nothing but Russia. And from Russia what we have took is nothing but fundamental duties. We have took fundamental duties from Russia. We have took that fundamental duties. And the sixth one is nothing but, sixth country is nothing but South Africa. Okay, from South Africa what we have taken is nothing but amendment process. Amendment process. So what is the meaning of this amendment? Means changing something. Changing something in the Constitution of India is called as nothing but amendment process. Suppose if there is one article, if you want to change that article in Constitution of India, that process is called as amendment process. Then next, the seventh one is nothing but Canada. And Canada means, from Canada what we have to, the residual powers. From Canada we have to residual powers. Residual means in Telugu migilina. Okay, the residual powers. Okay, that is And from that, what to say, and the eighth one, that is nothing but Australia. Okay, from Australia, what we have to is nothing but concurrent list, concurrent list. That is, this is nothing but that what to say, that whether a state government or central government or both make makes laws on particular subjects, okay, on particular subjects. These subjects on subjects are topics. That is, the subjects means either education or engineering or that hospitals, tourist, and agriculture and all these things. On which subject, whether state government should make law or central government should make law or both has powers to make law. That is taken from that Australia, that concurrent list. On what are those subjects? Okay, okay. Then that is nothing but in that what we are having, that state list is nothing but we are going to have 61, and this central list what we are going to have, we are going to have 100 at present, and both this state and central government can make laws on both. It is the total list is nothing but 52. Okay, that is the thing. And the ninth one is nothing but this is Ireland. This is Ireland, and from Ireland, what we have to directive principles of state policy, directive directive principles of state policy. We have taken the directive principles of state policy have been taken from this Ireland only. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. This is nothing but this sources of Constitution of India.